So the helicopter number one.
So we have something to go from here. And then you're outside. And right now you got my back, your elbow by the hip. Here. Post, but not enough for my head's back. Just gonna catch it. Just pop it up.
And if you don't want to be nice, you drag your knee across the face.
Yeah, you can also put this one underneath and then step this one over, come back, and that's our, that one's tight. And then number two, remember number one? Now, if you get both of them, we're trapped from there. I pull this one up, and I switch sides from here, and then I can come down.
What else? You take the time, right?
Yes. Also triangle, number two. When I come up, you block it. This one. Try to be short arm, elbow of your arm here. Yeah.